Oh man, for you G and squarebody guys, look what we got. Another one. Another one makes it into the salvage yard. From what I've seen here, it was a 74. And well, yeah, she's hurt, man. She's hurt. Let's check it out. As you can see that missing that headlight bezel. The grill is bitched up down there. I wonder if this thing had some kind of like does this have some type of like bar here or something because of this crap here? I don't know. But it got bitched up because of these things. The hood, because of them springs that are all messed up. Well, we know what happened right there. And here, actually. Yeah, buckled. See, I do like the color combination on this. It would have been sweet if it didn't have any body damage. That's old. No hail damage that I could see up here. Windshield's cracked though. Yeah. Last on the road, I guess, 2003. Last registered anyways. Back glass is good. This side of the bed looks decent. I don't think I really see any major dent on it or anything. Yeah. Not bad. I'm gonna take it this is not the original tailgate to it. Yeah. Actually, the bed doesn't look to be in too bad a shape. What's in here? What is in here? Damn, what do we got here? Husky, made in USA. Look at that, 13/16. We got this one, 13/16. This is Taiwan. Doesn't have a brand on it. What's this? That's a Craftsman. Yeah, so made in US. What the heck is this? Something made in Taiwan. This one, True Craft. I think that's what that says. What size is that? 9/16. Half-inch drive. It's Taiwan. I don't know what that is. I'm guessing I'm not gonna find any snap-on. Uh-oh. That's mine. And yeah, that's Taiwan. Anyways, oh, what's this? There's another. Sorry guys, I stop whenever I see some tools. I don't know what that is. Sorry about that. I'm gonna have to. Hopefully nobody grabs it while I'm doing the rest of this little video. Anyways, back to the truck. My bad. Look at that. Look at this damage, man. Damn. Look at that. From here all the freaking way, all the way to here. Wow. That's a damn shame. That is a damn shame, man. I think she does have a full set of these wheels, though. What wheels are these? Let me go back around this way here. Go back around this way here. Oh no, she doesn't, huh? Yeah, she doesn't have that wheel there. I see. This would have been Eagle alloys. There was 3 of them. 3 Eagle alloys. I went around to see if the guy, was gonna go back to the back. I didn't want to grab the sockets. Crap. All right. So as it says here, 352 barrel. And it does say 1974, so AC truck. Power brakes, power steering, I'm assuming. Yeah. Yeah. All there for the most part. I mean, you know, missing the radiator. Alright, let's look inside. Door closes nice. I can't get down there far enough to see. I think she's solid though. I don't know if she got some rust here or not. There it is. 03 of 74. And there's your bin. Door panel, you know how it goes. This plastic just starts to disintegrate with that sun. But it is all there. Doesn't seem to be cracked in terms of, yeah, seems to be all there. That side doesn't look, I'm pretty sure it's the same way, but without any cracks, I think. Gauges, somebody, I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this has already been out. I don't think somebody just took this dash recently. Ugh, I hate when these things get super sticky like that. Ugh. Outside of that and that, there's another gauge cluster. I don't think she's ripped on this, but I don't think this would be the original one to it. It's green. It's like she just was repainted red again. You can see some red right there. But that seat doesn't look half bad. Oh wait, but I'm an idiot. Look at that. I didn't even see that. What the hell? Jeez. Alright, go on the other side real quick. And actually, let me see, can I get... Get down here just real quick. I can't really see too much, I guess. Bad here. Like I said, pretty much same way there. Tail light. Yeah. There she is. Oh yeah, see, I can see the yeah, I don't know. Floor looks to be in good shape though. At least the inside. That was okay. Well, there she is, man. 74 square body GM. I like that color combination though. I do. I don't like red all that much, but red and white, yeah, I like that. Anyways, on to the next one, man.